We're a provider of open data movement technology. By data movement, we basically facilitate moving data between applications, devices, people. That can happen both inside of an organization as well as out to open cloud platforms. So if people are doing cloud work in places like Amazon, AWS, in Google Cloud Platform, we can help the applications that are being deployed in those environments talk through to the applications that are still left behind in the data center. I mean, I start with a little bit of background. So Solace have been in the BFSI space for most of our time. We started off really where the performance and the scale of messaging was really needing to be world class. The top messaging users around the world were using Solace. So as we've gone past the years and other use cases have caught up, other places have increased the volumes, the loads, they've all really moved towards needing technology like Solace where other technologies have been failing. So I guess one of the really nice things at the moment, the last 3 or 4 years, have seen a massive adoption of open standards and open APIs. So this whole space was very proprietary up until sort of 5-10 years ago. Now people that are building out solutions using technology can really adopt the new open standards and rely on those to basically decouple themselves from vendors, so avoiding vendor lock-in, but also by using standards like MQTT, AMQP, and REST, they can switch out vendors later on. So as they grow in their use and scale, they can really just buy better technology without having to refactor or rethink about their applications. And that's very important. If you're starting up, you're starting small, you can make use of, we make our technology available for free at very small scale. So you can start without buying any software from Solace. You can use that until you get to a certain scale, but you have infinite growth. So as your business grows, as your client base grows, you can really adopt more and more performant versions of the same foundation. So my advice to the local economies, the banks, really the opportunity now is there to get rid of some old vendor lock-ins if you're looking to increase your use of data movement technology, but also as you're doing new things to really take advantage of those standards, the REST, AMQP, and MQTT, to really make sure you're not locking yourself in for some legacy challenges in 5-10 years. So that would be my advice to organizations looking at this today.